Yeah. Hi. Good evening, everyone. Diyan sa Pilipinas, good morning. Okay. Nagluto na si Bunso. Nag-init ako nagluto ng kanin, tapos may mashed potato, at may gravy, at my, what is that, sirloin steak?
It's kind of it's sort of, it's a
sirloin.
It's basically a fine sirloin.
Really
Fancy stuff.
Nagiinom ako ng,
like the millionaires eat.
Yeah.
Really fancy.
I used to be a millionaire. If I didn't scam, I'd still be billionaire by now.
No, I'm just kidding. No,
That is true.
Don't make jokes. Don't make
No,
jokes.
it's true. If I did not scam by those people, left and right, I'm a millionaire.
Maybe, yeah, possibly.
Yeah.
Not a billionaire, but
Millionaire. I'm a poor millionaire. I make everyone rich. I'm a millionaire maker. I make everyone rich.
Well, that's why I wrote the poem. She loves my wallet more than me.
Yeah.
I gave her everything from A to Z. Now she says she's leaving me.
Yeah, that's right.
I'll read the whole poem to you one of these days.
Yeah, now, but it's okay. Yeah, masaya ako. I'm happy. I talk to Papa. I talk to Ate Ami and Susie.
I gotta get back to my work.
Ami, Susie, and wala si baby. Ami and Susie lang. And wala si baby. My almond milk. Yeah. Nag-iisip ako, nabuksan ko yung storage dyan at tingnan ko kung ano ang nandyan para makita ko kung ano. At ang iba, sabi ko kaya yung mga idodonate, ilagay sa Sandek, tapos idodonate namin. Yan. Tapos, yan, aayusin ko kung anong ano yan. Para makapasok ako dyan sa storage. Malaking storage yan. Pwedeng gawing kwarto. Lagyan ng single bed. Tapos maliit na TV. Yung ordinary yung TV. Maganda nga, may closets. Tapos lagyan mo ng TV. Ala, ang ganda. Private na private ka. Yan. Kaya, yan, maganda yung pag-usap namin ni Papa. Yan. Kaya masaya. Hi, Susie. Hi, Ate Ami. Hi, baby. Hi, Marie. Hi, Papa. Hi, Malik. Sana magkita-kita tayo pagdating ng araw. Shout out sa aking mga pamangkin, sa aking mga pinsan, sa aking mga relatives, mga Facebook friends. Shout out. Kakainom ako ng almond milk. Sarap. Yung umpisa, ayoko ng lasa. Pero ngayon, sanay na ako. Yeah. Ano kaya kakainin kong dinner mamaya? Yeah. Okay. Maraming salamat sa inyo, guys. Be happy. Dahil sabi ni Papa, maiklit lang buhay. Huwag sayangin ang buhay sa mga stress. Nakaka-stress. Ang nagpapasaya sa akin, kain. Kain.